JDM Garage UK have a wide range of Nissan and Toyota gearboxes in stock right now. We have the 350 ZCD9 box available. This box is used as a great conversion for people intending to go over 1,000 wheel horsepower and has a lot of aftermarket options for pairing with different engines such as RBJC, Ohm 606, and more. What about the R154 gearbox? We also have these right now. These will fit Chaser, Cresta, Mark II, JZX100, JZX110, Versa, and Soarer JZ30. Please note, this is the non-remote type. Remote type has been discontinued. This mainly affects where the gear stick sits in the car. We can also supply a range of Oskiken, Extreme HDS, Exity, and Nismo clutches for all these options. RB25 det boxes. Naughty. This is from the Neo engine, but it's perfect for your non-Neo setup. RB26 det pull type boxes are here right now. Get them on our website. Perfect for use with the R32 GTR or 33 GTR and a stage of 260 Rs. Now part of the Nismo Heritage Program. Genuine Nissan Sure 20 DAT gearboxes also in stock. These will fit 5-speed S13s, S14s. All brand new sourced directly with Nissan and Toyota. We offer great competitive pricing. Find all these and more at www.jdmgarageuk.com.